application will ask to allow a few features. Once you allow those features, tap on the next option here. And this is pretty much the home screen of the application. Let me say this application is not what I've expected at all, not even close. So you do have the option here where it says 360 camera, which does give you this feature here where you can pretty much look at other locations, other popular locations, Canada, France, and all of those locations here. And if I do tap on any one of these locations, for example, here, you do get a 360 view of Indonesia. So this is pretty much what I've selected, and to me, it's very bad. I'm not gonna lie, it is very, very bad. Not what I've expected at all, and it doesn't look that good at all. So that's pretty much it for the 360 camera, and it has a lot of ads. Thing about this application here, it has a lot of ads, and the features are very, very bad, I'm not gonna lie. And I've reviewed a countless amount of applications like this. You have the 360 word option, which pretty much is the worst. As you can see, if I do tap on this option here, we'll just ask for location and it will just show you a regular map option. Nothing much for that, as you can see. So very, 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 I would say not good of an application for you to use. Full of ads, and these are pretty much useless. You have the compass option, which is useless as well. It does work, but it doesn't look good. So if you have any questions about this application, you can let me know in the comment section. And as well, if you do try to navigate anywhere in this application here, it will pretty much give you a bunch of ads, as you can see here. Countless of ads. I can't even imagine, guys. So I will keep you guys up to date as relates to this application here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. See you in the next one.